Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a quick and instant Khapli wheat dosa recipe. This Khapli dosa is a quick and easy and instant dosa recipe which you can make in just under 10 minutes. For those who are new to Khapli, Khapli wheat is an ancient variety of wheat grain which has very less gluten and is high in fiber when compared to modern processed wheat. Because of the high fiber in Khapli wheat, it will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus it helps in your weight loss journey. Khapli wheat also has many health benefits. I have already shared a detailed video along with its health benefits. Please do check it out to understand more. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make instant Khapli wheat dosa, into a large bowl, I am adding in half cup of Khapli wheat flour. Into this, I am adding in 1.5 tablespoon of roasted brown rice flour. Add in 1 tablespoon roasted rava. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Now give this all a mix. And then add in water. So I am measuring half cup of water and then I am slowly adding the water little by little. Again I am measuring another half cup of water and adding it little by little. Adding the rest of the water and mix well. Make sure that you mix it really well so that there are no lumps. Okay, now the batter is nicely mixed and there are no lumps. So this is the consistency of the batter. It should neither be too thick nor too thin. I'm going to keep this aside for 5 minutes. Okay, now the batter is ready. It has been resting for 5 minutes and there are no lumps as you can see. And the batter is of pourable consistency. So now I'm going to make the Khapli dosa. Heat a cast iron dosa tawa and grease it with gingerly oil. Reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in 2 ladlefuls of the Khapli dosa batter. And spread it out as thinly as possible. Drizzle in 1 teaspoon wood pressed coconut oil. Now instead of wood pressed coconut oil, you can use any unrefined or wood pressed oil from the place you live in, like mustard oil, groundnut oil or even till oil. And allow the dosa to cook on low flame for about a minute. Once done, carefully flip it over. Now make sure that you are using a well seasoned cast iron tawa. And let it cook on low flame for about a minute. Once done, remove to a plate. Quick and easy instant Khapli wheat dosa is ready to serve. Enjoy Khapli wheat dosa with sambar, chutney or any side dish of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy Khapli wheat dosa and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.